This game, 4 scenes are going to happen at the exact same time. 4 different worlds, 4 different players, and tape will be involved.
I'm sure.
So, my player, if you two will step forward and get the front of our square. Gab, if you want to fill out part of it as well, it'd be great. Perfect. For Kevin and Blake, I need a suggestion of somebody's favorite word on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Plethora.
Plethora, thank you. We all heard the word plethora first. Plethora, rotate right. For Gabs and Blake, or Kevin. I know them, I swear. For Gabs and Kevin, let me get a location two people could be in.
Hospital.
A hospital, great, hospital. Rotate right, thank you. For Gabs and Randy, I have a dresser in front of me. I'm reaching down to the 3rd drawer, opening it, and pulling out what object? What?
Lingerie.
Lingerie. Lingerie. Lingerie. Or laundry, if you would like to pronounce it differently. Your choice.
What? How'd you switch some letters?
Laundry?
Never mind. Yeah, go for laundry. Lingerie. Okay. And for Randy and Blake, on the count of 3, just yell whatever you kind of want to see a scene about. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Waffles.
What's this?
Waffles.
Waffles and what else are here?
Atomic bomb.
Waffle atomic bomb. This is the atomic bomb waffle scene right here. So let's review. Randy, Blake, what are you guys doing?
Waffle atomic bomb scene.
Perfect. Rotate left.
Oh.
You guys, what are you doing?
Lingerie.
Great. So rotate left. Gabs and Kevin.
Hospital.
Perfect. And one more time. Rotate left.
Plethora.
Plethora. Thank you very much. Now, who has never been to a shit show before? Just raise your hand. Great. My players are going to start rotating on the stage. Thank you very much. At some point, I need you just to yell the word stop whenever you feel it is appropriate.
Stop.
No, this lady right here.
Stop.
Perfect. So what's going to happen is they're going to do a scene. When I say rotate left or right, they will do so. You'll see how it works. This is Foursquare. And 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I don't know.
Come on, Carol, show me.
No.
Come on.
No.
It's for your wedding night. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, let's see it. Let's see it.
It's a turtleneck.
Rotate right.
I dare you. Fucking eat it. Eat it. You won't. You little pussy, you won't eat it. You little fucking pussy. It's called atomic waffles for a reason. You afraid to do it?
I don't know why you're feeding
Atomic
me.
waffle challenge? Come on, you can do it.
I could have gotten my own bite. It's just weird to eat it all.
Come on, let's get Randy. 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 No, you're not ready.
Rotate right. Captain, the fishing is amazing today. They're everywhere.
Oh my God, it's like so many fish. I didn't expect this at all.
Think, Michael.
I guess I've never done it before. They're so slimy. I can't pick it up. Have you ever held a fish before?
Of course I've held a fish. I'm a man.
Jessica.
Oh. I don't want you to worry. The hospital has had a few, just budget cuts, so I am your heart monitor.
Are you always this
Oh, that's a big one. You're so good at this. Oh my God.
Let's take a selfie.
I don't want to get that close.
Let's get a selfie. Come on, we'll get a selfie.
It stinks. Smell.
Where's that left?
Look,
I see the fear in your fucking eyes. Get it together.
do you know how embarrassing it is for you to feed me in public? This is really weird. I am not scared of the waffle.
What are you scared of?
I'm being embarrassed by being fed like
Rotate left.
Okay. I'll keep the trench coat on. For the consummation.
Don't call it that.
The formal consummation.
Stop!
Am I saying it wrong?
Oh dear.
I've got knee-high socks. They're really, really sexy.
Listen, as your future sister-in-law, I probably shouldn't tell you this, but just do it already!
Do what?
Everything.
Oh, okay, I'll put the boots on top of the socks.
Rotate right twice.
Oh, you know, I learned so much from you. I'm really.
Rotate left.
Just give it to me.
First
give it to me. Just give it.
Now.
Oh my God! Was that hot sauce?
Atomic hot sauce.
Rotate right.
I'm just gonna jump overboard.
Oh, you going for a swim, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna swim back to shore.
What? You can't leave me alone on this floaty thing.
And scene!